Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base Faucet website. This website pay you Dogecoin from that to your Faucet Pay, and this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites and base website I share with you in this websites. Okay, and right now we are going to start. This is the Dogecoin pay you this much USD dollar or this much Satoshi. First go to your deposit, copy your Dogecoin wallet address from here and come here and paste it. Okay, come down, just click login, solve this little capture. Okay, first, and after solving, just solve it. Okay, and camel, mouse, and zebra, and just solve this capture to motorcycle and just click verify the capture. Okay, and wait few seconds. After a few seconds, this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. This my Satoshi, this website pay me in my Faucet Pay. Just I go to user dashboard, come down, and you can see this website pay me this my Satoshi. Okay, this website link available in description. Just you can claim every day. Write this, and every 5 minutes you can claim, and unlimited claim per day. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. You can solve capture or you can come here, and please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.